Hello everyone, how are you all? You know what? Today I am going to play with my car. Yes, I like to play with my car. And you know what? I run my car on different tracks. You want to see my different tracks? Okay, come, I will show you. Come. Yes, so this is my track and my car is going like this and like this. Whoa, zoom, zoom. Now my car will go on a curved track like this. Zoom. You want to see a new track? Okay, I will show you a new track and here it is. Yes, this is a new track on which I am going to run my car today. First it goes like zoom up to down and again zoom up to down and from here side like this. And you know the name of this track? The name of this track is letter A. There is one more small letter A. Let me run on this track as well. Zoom like this. And this is small letter A. This is big A. This is small a. So you all also can make these type of tracks and run your cars. Now let's learn the words which start with letter A and their sound is A. Here is an alligator. Have you seen an alligator? Here it is. See, it's opening its mouth. A alligator. Here it's written the name. A alligator. Now let's see another word. Apple. Have you seen apple? Of course, all of us like to eat apple. It's a very healthy fruit. We should eat apple every day. Here it's written apple. Another word, aeroplane. The aeroplane is flying. Okay. Here is the word aeroplane. There are two A's in this. A says a. Now let's see another word. Here comes an ant. Ants are everywhere. They live on the ground and they make their house anthill. It is written like this. Ant. Ant. Let's see another word. Can you guess what is this? Yes, it's an arrow. And here it's the word arrow. 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 Now, have you seen a woodcutter? He cuts the wood with an axe. This is an axe. And here it is written like this. Axe. Axe. Now let's see all the words. Alligator. Apple. Axe. Aeroplane, arrow and ant. Let's say once again. Alligator, apple, axe, aeroplane, arrow, ant. Okay children, now we will learn how to write letter A. So here is my page on which I will show you. First we will make a slant line from up to down like this. It goes like this. And here from up to down like this. And one sleeping line like this. This is our letter A, and small a like this, around and round and round. Again this round will go up, and again it will come down. This is capital A or big A, and this is small a, and the sound is A. Okay children, we have already learned how to write letter A, and we have seen different vocabulary which starts with letter A and the sound A. Now let us learn how to remember this letter A. This is the sign of letter A. All your fingers out and your thumb out. All of you do with me? Yes, like this. This is the sign of letter A. A says A. So thank you and have a nice day.